I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. Have you ever bought something and thought you knew how to use it only to find out that you didn't? When I first purchased a Kamado Joe, I fired it up, threw down 4 big, beautiful bone-in ribeyes, and promptly burned them to a crisp. The grill was way too hot, and I didn't know what I didn't know. Lesson learned. The Kamado Joe Classic has piqued the interest of many backyard chefs, and for good reason. It's made from a ceramic material that has excellent heat retention capabilities, and that makes it very versatile. You can grill, roast, smoke, and even bake in it. It can get up to very high temperatures, which makes it perfect for searing steaks and locking in those juices. It can also run low and slow for 12 or more hours without adding charcoal, and that makes it perfect for tenderizing even the toughest cuts of beef. The Kamado Joe Classic is a great grill, but there are a few things about it that you only learn through experience. Here are 10 things that I wish I knew before buying my Kamado Joe.
Number 1, the ash basket is a must-have accessory. A steel ash basket is one of the first accessories you should purchase. Using a Kamado Joe is all about airflow. The more air, the hotter it gets. It comes with a heavy cast iron plate with holes in it that sits under the hot coals. It's okay, but a steel ash basket provides much better airflow and quicker cleanup. Number 2, cast iron grates are superior to stainless steel grates. If you like big sear marks on your burgers and steaks, you should upgrade to cast iron grates. The Kamado Joe comes with stainless steel grates that have small bars and big gaps between the bars. Cast iron grates have much wider bars and retain heat better, and that means better grill marks. Cast iron grates need a little bit of maintenance, like occasional seasoning, but they're worth it. Just don't drop them because they can crack. Number 3, you need the reversible griddle plate. Kamado Joe offers a reversible half-moon griddle plate, and it's one of those accessories you don't know you need until you have it. Whether you're cooking smash burgers or want to reverse sear a ribeye, this griddle plate gives you versatility that steel or cast iron grates don't. I like to get it up to about 700 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit for a great sear. Also, the backside has a ridged surface, which makes it even more useful for things like panini sandwiches and grilled vegetables. Number 4, an infrared thermometer is essential. If you get the griddle plate, you also need an infrared thermometer. While the built-in dome thermometer gives you a general idea of the internal temperature, an infrared thermometer allows you to measure the actual surface temperature of the griddle plate. This is crucial for searing steaks. Invest in a good quality thermometer like the ThermoWorks Industrial IR with a circle laser. Number 5, disposable water pans make your life easier. The cooking environment inside a Kamado Joe is harsh, and I'd like to introduce some moisture whenever I'm cooking with indirect heat. Using disposable aluminum water pans makes the cleanup easy. Just pick it up and throw it away. I like to use half-sized, medium-depth pans that are 2 3/16 inches deep and are available from online restaurant supply stores. The disposable pans available in most grocery stores are too tall when used on the top deflector plates, and they can cause the grill grates to not seat properly. Number 6, a temperature control device like a FireBoard is a must. If you're serious about smoking, this is a must-have tool. Temperature control is one of the biggest challenges for new Kamado Joe users. A device like the FireBoard allows you to monitor and maintain temperatures with precision, and that is critical when cooking low and slow. These devices automate airflow adjustments, making long cooks for things like brisket and pork shoulders easy to control. Take a look at my video for more information on the FireBoard. A link is in the description below. Number 7, a Kamado Joe heats up a lot faster than it cools down. Air flows into the bottom vent and out the top vent. If those two vents are wide open, a Kamado Joe can easily get up to 800 or 900 degrees Fahrenheit in no time. But ceramic holds heat. If your grill accidentally gets that hot, it can take 45 minutes or more to cool back down. I like to get the coals going with the lid open and the bottom vent wide open. When the coals are hot, I close the lid and adjust both vents. If I'm cooking burgers or steaks, I will run the grill with both vents open until the internal temperature reaches 600 degrees Fahrenheit. I will then add the meat and close down both vents halfway. When I turn the meat over, I will close both vents completely and let the meat finish cooking. This approach helps me reduce flare-ups It gives me more control over the temperature. Number 8, how to clean the top vent when it gets stuck. Over time, grease and smoke residue can cause the Kamado Joe's top vent to become sticky or even completely stuck. To clean it, heat the grill to around 450 degrees Fahrenheit to soften the buildup, then carefully remove the cap and use a wire brush or scraper to remove the gunk. You can also wash the top vent in hot soapy water and then apply food-safe lubricant like Dow Corning Molykote 111 to keep it operating smoothly. Number 9, essential tools you'll need. For the best results, you need a few specialized tools. Some essentials include a grate tool, good for moving excess ash after cooking. A grill gripper, makes handling hot grates safer. Both a grate tool and a grill gripper should come standard with a new Kamado Joe. A grill brush, a good grill brush helps keep the grates clean. I prefer one with spiral wire like this one over a traditional wire brush like this. A wire brush can shed bristles, and that is dangerous. There are plenty of case reports where people have ingested broken wire bristles and needed emergency surgery to remove them. A chimney starter or grill gun. These speed up the charcoal lighting process, but are not good to use in windy conditions or around lawn furniture. A hot ember once burned a hole in my brand new patio furniture. For windy conditions, I like to use tumbleweeds. Heat-resistant gloves. At some point, you need to get that beautifully roasted turkey or chicken back into the house. Heat-resistant gloves make the job easier. Number 10, choose the right charcoal. One of the most important things you need to do is select the right charcoal. Lump charcoal is superior to briquettes because it burns longer, burns hotter, produces less ash, and provides better airflow inside the grill. It also provides better wood-fired flavor. Brands like Kamado Joe Big Block, Fogo, Big Green Egg Natural Oak and Hickory, Texas Original Charcoal, and Rockwood Hardwood Charcoal are all excellent choices. By the way, I have a new cookbook coming out. Go to my website and sign up to get notified when it becomes available. A link is in the description below. A Kamado Joe Classic is a great grill, and I hope these 10 things will help you get the most out of it from day one. Expect a small learning curve, but don't be intimidated. Once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever grilled or smoked without a Kamado Joe. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe. I'll see you next time on Austin Eats.